don't know if it's recording. Oh, hey y'all! My name is Louisa. Welcome to my channel, The Ever-Growing Mommy. I'm actually doing this on an iPad. I've never vlogged on the iPad yet. The iPad is actually a, let me see, where's my eyes? Where do my eyes need to go? Oh, right there. The iPad was a gift from my husband, and so this was one of my birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, anniversary. It was really an early birthday gift, so. Hey y'all, my name is Lisa and welcome to my channel, The Ever-Growing Mommy. We are on day two of being home from our trip to Virginia to drop my daughter off. In this video, I'm gonna share kind of like an unpacking vlog and also just kind of go through some ideas that I have. Now that I have my office back, I'm super excited because I get to start fresh and really just have my space and my peace that I have been, you know, moms, we sacrifice, we will do anything for our children. But the day has come that I get my office back and I cannot wait because it's going to be a whole makeover. I'm going to give you some ideas that I have to make over that office space. I really am going to try to do it very minimal. I'm not going to try to spend a lot of money. I'm going to try to use what we have. If I can use what we have or find things for free and then do a little DIYs, which there is a DIY I am going to do, but I have had my stuff all over the house. So I've had office stuff in my actual closet there. I've had office stuff in the hallway, and I have office stuff in the kitchen. There's a station in the kitchen that I use for myself, and I'm just so excited to have it back so that I can kind of put everything back in place. But before I do that, I really want to minimize what I have, and that's really what this vlog is going to be about. I'm going to share some unpacking. I've already did one laundry load. I'm about to fold it all and then put it all away. But the goal is to not start on the office until 2 weeks. I need 2 weeks of recovery because that drive was really, really hard. It was extremely hard. So with that being said, I'm just gonna give y'all my ideas, unpack, and let's just get right into it. Let me show you what my office, what my closet looks like. So this is the closet. And it's not too bad. It's just very extremely cluttered. So I don't know how to zoom out, and I don't think the iPad has a zoom out. I just realized. Okay, so that's all clothes right there that we're looking at that need to be hung and put away, which I am going to take those to the living room so that I can work on those. Up here, you see those black boxes. Those are actually filing cabinet system that I had got for myself when I had the idea that my office was gonna be like black and gold. I say it that way because I have since decided that I want it to be more of a I want it to match the rest of my house. The rest of my house is very much shabby chic, very much antique looking. And so because I had that stuff up there, I was in the process of emptying my drawers in our bedroom, because those drawers, I have a plan to remake those drawers and no longer use them. I'm gonna sell them. I don't want dresser drawers, so this is my office space. This is where I have my setup right now. As you can see, it's very DIY little thing setup going on, because I wanted to stand. This actually worked so perfectly. It's quiet in here. There's not a lot of sound that I can hear outside the house, and I totally loved working in here. But I need to keep this as my closet now that I have my office space available. Over here to the right, I have a lot of mail. I'm not going to go over it because I think there's like personal information that I don't want y'all to see, but I have a box of mail over here that to let's see, this side. Let me see. This camera is so big. I'm so sorry. So it's actually over here. I have a lot of papers that I need, mail and stuff that I just kind of put my life on hold, to be honest, when I did not have my office. And so this area is definitely going to just house our shoes and clothes, which is what it's made for. So I'm excited to redo this closet. My daughter was getting rid of that, so I went ahead and took this for myself. And I'm excited. So those clothes on the floor are actually going to go right here. Right here is where I'm going to have the clothes that would have been in my dresser, which are in these plastic bins, which those are going to get replaced. I'm going to replace them with just some more aesthetically pleasing. I actually got those at $5 Below. And I just want something a little bit more aesthetically pleasing that's going to go right here. I'm not sure if I want to do like 2 shelves right here, put my own shelves, and then use those for my folding clothes. I may actually do that because I don't have a lot of stuff that I hang, and so I may actually do that. I just may, but we'll see. I don't know. There's several things that I could do. I could also hang all of that up here and then use this space for some plastic bins that I saw, a closet system that I saw on the Container Store. But that's, yeah, this stuff is gonna get redone, redo. And then let's go to the other. See this dresser over here and this dresser, I am gonna paint them. I'm going to sand them down and then paint them a beautiful color and then put them on the Facebook Market for sale because I do not want any, and that right there. I don't want any dressers in here. What I do want in here is a vanity. I want a vanity for myself to be able, and I want like a couch. I just want a little reading nook right there. A little relaxing space right there is what I really am hoping to get. And then on this side, I will obviously have like a table here and a table on that side. We're gonna keep the bed, but just very minimal. I want it very minimal in here. And then right here, I'd like to have a mirror right here. And then this stuff right here, I don't know where this is gonna go. These towels, I don't want them there. But we are gonna do something with this wall. I just don't know yet what yet. Gotta hurry because my husband is hungry and will need to eat. But this is the so this TV came from my son's room, which he my house is not clean by any means. Everything is, I have a sports bra right there. Everything is kind of chaotic. I've got to get it together before the kids get here because it was my birthday and they're going to come and sing happy birthday. But this TV came from my son's room, which was replaced with another TV that my daughter left behind in her move. I do want to get a plant stand, but a lot of these plants are going to go into my actual office. And we're going to move the TV back over here. We had it moved because we have a big old leak right there. But I feel like it's going to be safe if we move it back. So I'm going to move the TV back over here. And then there's my laundry that I need to start folding and putting away. This is more of the laundry that I still have a lot of stuff to unpack out of that bag. And then this, I have an open spot right here. So I'm not sure yet what I'm going to put the TV on because I like the side table over here. I like to have that side table right there. Right there we had the baby swing. We no longer have that swing, so I've got to get rid of those wires and put a table there. I may even put Tiny over here. I may do that also. And then while I was out of town, these grew tremendously. So these are ready to be potted, and I've got to pot them outside. This is all the rest of the office stuff. I'm almost done, honey. This is the rest of the office stuff that has got to go into my office. My book. So all of this is what I'm talking about. I've got to declutter. I don't want to take all of this back into my office. So I'm definitely going to do a major declutter with all of this, and that will be a separate video. This is another area that's going to go back into my office. And this actually, the plan for this is going to be my husband's coffee area. So coffee area, and then move that water container. I don't know if it'll fit here, but we'll see. It's going to be the coffee and water space. And then this has blankets, but I'm going to take the blankets out and put them in that closet right there. And I think I'm going to sand this down and restain it, but I do want it to be a stain that matches the rest of the house. So it's going to be more of a darker, old world, a dark stain that matches our kitchen table. So that's what this is going to be, but it's going to have all the kids' toys in it, and it's going to actually go. And I don't know if you remember, I had a dresser here. That dresser went with my daughter, so we no longer have that. That's open space, which I'm so loving. We have our piano that's going to stay here for now. I may move the piano over there. I don't know. We'll see. And then here's my office. So this is going to stay in here. And I plan to, I don't know if I'm going to repaint that white area. I may paint over it because I love the color teal or light blue, and like a teal color. So I may actually paint it teal and then just kind of sand the corners of it so the white can come through. But I'm definitely gonna spray paint those handles or replace them. But this dresser was actually trash. At our old house, somebody was throwing it away. It was at the end of the it was on the curb, and so I was like, oh my gosh, so what sold me is this. This is actually what sold me. I was like, I don't care what the rest of the dresser looks like. I love this color. This stain is my favorite stain. I love it. So with that said, it's either going to get repainted white or I'm going to do the teal color. This is just one big huge open space right here, which I can't wait to use. This mattress is going. And then there's baby girl's crib. That's gonna go to the storage, and I'm also gonna take down that shelving right there. So I don't know what this is gonna look like. I don't know how I'm gonna set up my office, but I know that there is something in the garage that I had bought at my old house. My mother-in-law actually took me and my husband to go pick it up. I bought it on Facebook Market. It was in a kitchen island. I'm going to repurpose that and make that my actual desk, and I'm excited because it's the perfect height for me to stand, and that's the goal. The goal is for me to stand while I'm working so that I can work on strengthening my body and getting healthier. I have sat for 11 years and I don't want to sit anymore. I want to stand, and so that's the goal. So this is a work in progress, dream come true to finally have my office back. But yes, so that's what's going on. And now I'm gonna have to end this vlog so that I can start. I gotta eat, and then I gotta pick up just a little bit so that before the kids get here, I can take a nap. And then the house won't be so cluttered. Oh, I can. Y'all, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and help me grow my channel. It would be the best birthday gift to me to have you join the ever-growing mommy family. Y'all, this moment was such a sweet moment with my kids. And really, truly, anytime I have my children all together, it is such a gift in itself. And I felt so incredibly blessed and richly loved by my family. My husband and my children and my grandkids is just such a gift. So I wanted to share that moment with you because y'all are special to me, and I want you to see just how simple a birthday can be with very minimal effort but mean the most to somebody. Thank you so much for watching. I pray that the Lord bless you, give you peace, and may He shine His light upon you, y'all. I will see you in my next video where we will continue this same vlog. Bye, y'all.
You want me to put them?
Why do you have this picture of Chrissy? Look at this horrible